Updating your billing information on LinkedIn Sales Navigator is essential for ensuring uninterrupted access to your subscription. Follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the LinkedIn website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with your Sales Navigator subscription. Step 2. Access Sales Navigator. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales Navigator section. You can find this by clicking on the Sales option in the top menu or by searching for Sales Navigator in the search bar. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In Sales Navigator, look for your profile icon or the settings key icon, usually located in the top right corner. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Select Billing Information. Within the Account Settings menu, find and select the Billing or Payment Information option. This section will display your current billing details and subscription plan. Step 5. Update your billing details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Regularly checking and updating your details can help you avoid any disruptions in your service.